Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard state book, exercise 2.5, complex number. Find the modulus of the following. What is the meaning for that modulus in complex number? For example, z equal to x plus iy. Modulus of z equal to modulus of x plus iy. It means that root of, it gives root of x square plus y square. Root of x square plus real value number square plus imaginary value number square. Root of x square plus y square. We move on to the first sum. What is the first sum here? See, 2i by 3 plus 4i. We can take it as a modulus. Modulus of, see, modulus of 2i by 3 plus 4i. 2i by 3 plus 4i. You can do it separately as a modulus. Modulus of 2i by modulus of 3 plus 4i. So modulus of 2i, you know very well, that is real part value is 0, that imaginary part value is 2 square. That is real part x square plus y square. Here x value is 0 and y value is 2. So I put 2 square by root of 3 square plus 4 square. So what is the value? Root 4 by root of 9 plus 16. So what is the answer you are getting here? It gives 2 by root 25. So the value is 2 by 5. So the value is 2 by 5. Then you move on to the second sum. What is the second sum? 2 minus I by, move on to the second sum, second subdivision. 2 minus I by 2 minus I by 1 plus I, 1 plus I plus 1 minus 2i, 1 minus 2i by 1 minus 2i by 1 minus I. Okay. So 2 minus I by 1 plus I plus 1 minus 2i by 1 minus I. So you can take it as a LCM. LCM means it gives 2 minus I into 1 minus I plus 1 minus 2i into 1 plus I, that is cross multiplication, whole divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. 1 plus I into 1 minus I. I will write it here once again. I into C, it gives 2 minus I, 2 minus I into 1 minus I plus 1 minus 2i, 1 minus 2i into 1 plus I by whole divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Okay, when we multiply the number, see, you multiply the number, see here, 2 ones are 2, minus 2i, minus I plus I square. 2 minus 2i minus I plus I square. Okay, plus 1 plus I minus 2I minus 2I square minus 2I square 1 plus I minus 2I minus 2I square whole divided by a plus ib into a minus ib equal to a square plus b square. You can take the number alone, don't take the sign. See, it gives 2 minus 2I minus I square value is minus 1 plus here 1 plus I minus 2I square value is minus 1, so it becomes plus 2 whole divided by 2. So what is the answer for here? See, I will write it here. It gives 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3i, 1 minus 3i plus here 3 minus I, 3 minus I whole divided by 2. So what is the answer? What is the answer here? See, 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Minus 3I minus I, it's nothing but what? Minus 4I by 2. So, see, it gives 4 minus 4i. 4 minus 4i by 2. 2 you can take it as commonly out. 2 minus 2i by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So what is the modulus of? Modulus of 2 minus 2i gives root of real value square, that is 2 square plus 2 square, that is real value square plus imaginary value square. 4 plus 4, it gives root 8 or it gives 2. That is, you can take it as 4 commonly out. You can take it from the root, it becomes 2 root 2. That is 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. You can take this 4 is, take it out from the root, it becomes 2. So its value is 2 root 2. Next, third sum. What is the third sum? Third sum. Third sum is modulus of 1 minus I, modulus of 1 minus I, 1 minus I power 10, modulus of 1 minus I power 10 equal to. So we already see modulus of Zn equal to modulus of Z whole power n. So I will write it here. Modulus of 1 minus I the whole power 10. First you can take it as the modulus of this number. It becomes what? 1 square plus 1 square whole power 10. So it gives root 2 whole power 10. So it gives the answer because it is the root 2. So 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 10. 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 10. See here. 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 10, because root value is 1 by 2. It gets cancelled. So what is the answer? 2 power 5. So it gives 32. 2 power 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. Next, fourth subdivision. You move on to the fourth subdivision. What is the fourth subdivision? 2 into 3 2i into 3 minus 4i, 3 minus 4i into 4 minus 3i, 4 minus 3i. So you can take it as modulus. So modulus of 2i into 3 minus 4i, 4 minus 3i. You can take it as a separate modulus. So it become modulus of 2i, modulus of 3 minus 4i, modulus of 4 minus 3i. So what is the answer for this modulus of 2i? Modulus of 2i equal to root of 2 square because real value is 0 into 3 minus 4i is 3 square plus 4 square. You don't take it as a sign. You can take the number alone because if it is square means minus become plus. Okay. Root of 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square plus 3 square. It gives root 4. Root 9 plus 16 is 25. It gives 16 plus the same thing. Here also 25. So what is the value for this? 2 into 5 into 5. So it became 50. The answer became 50. Then you move on to the second sum. What is the second sum? See here what is the second sum. Before going that property, you must know modulus of z square equal to z into z bar. Modulus of z square equal to z into z bar. If you want, I will verify that. See here, modulus of z square. Z is nothing but what? X plus iy. Modulus of z equal to root of x square plus y square. Modulus of z square equal to root of x square plus y square the whole square. So what is the value? What is the value you are getting here? X square plus y square. You can take it as 1. See z into z bar. Z into z bar equal to x plus iy into x minus iy. So a plus ib into a minus ib equal to a square plus b square. So what is the meaning for that? 1 equal to 2. So modulus of z square equal to z into z bar. Before we enter into the sum, you should know this property. Okay. See the second sum now. Second sum. What is the second sum for any complex number? Z1 and Z2 for any complex number. Second sum. Z1 and Z2 for any complex number. Z1 and Z2. The values are given such that modulus of Z1 equal to modulus of Z1 equal to modulus of Z2 equal to 1 and Z1 into Z2 and Z1 into Z2 not equal to minus 1. Then show that show that Z1 Z1 plus Z2 by 1 plus Z1 into Z2. 1 plus Z1 into Z2 is real number. Is real number. Is it clear? Modulus of Z1 equal to modulus of Z2 equal to 1. Okay. If it is a real number, what we have to prove? We already seen. If and only if it is a real, what we have to prove? In the previous exercise itself, we have seen Z equal to Z bar. Z equal to Z bar if it is a real number. If Z is real, if and only if Z equal to Z bar. If Z is real. If Z is real, if and only if Z equal to Z bar. Okay. Now we move on to the sum. What is given here? Modulus of Z1 equal to 1. Squaring on both the sides. Modulus of Z1 the whole square equal to 1 square. Z1 the whole square equal to 1 square. So, modulus of Z1 the whole square equal to 1 square. We already seen the property. Modulus of Z equal to Z into Z bar. So, Z1 into Z1 bar equal to 1. Z1 into Z1 bar equal to 1. In the same way, see here, Z1 bar equal to 1 by Z1. 1 by Z1. Z1 bar equal to 1 by Z1. Okay. See, the same way Z2 equal to. In the same way Z2 equal to 1 by Z1 bar. See, Z1 bar equal to 1 by Z1. In the same way, we can take it as modulus of Z2 equal to 1. Squaring on both the sides, modulus of Z2 the whole square equal to 1 square is 1. Same way, Z2 into Z2 bar equal to 1. Z2 bar equal to 1 by Z2. Z2 bar equal to 1 by Z2. Okay. Now we can take the sum. What we have to prove? Z bar equal to Z. If and only if it is Z is a real number, Z bar equal to Z. See what is the sum it is given? Z, we can take it as Z1 plus Z2 by 1 plus Z1 Z2. So take it as a, I can take it as any other variable here. I can take it as some variable S equal to. Now S bar equal to, see here, Z1 plus Z2 the whole bar by 1 plus Z1 Z2 the whole bar. Okay, so it gives, see here, it gives Z1 bar plus Z2 bar whole divided by 1 bar is 1 plus Z1 Z2 bar. So it gives Z1 bar plus Z2 bar by 1 plus Z1 bar into Z2 bar. You replace the value of, see here, you replace the value of Z1 bar by 1 by Z and Z2 bar by 1 by Z2. Z2 bar by 1 by Z2. So it gives 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by Z1 into 1 by Z2. So we move on to the next one. See, 1 by Z1, it gives 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 by 1 plus 1 by Z1 into 1 by Z2. So you can take the LCM Z2 plus Z1 by Z1 Z2 whole divided by, you can take it as the LCM here also, Z1 into Z2 plus 1 by Z1, Z2. So Z1, Z2, Z1, Z2 get cancelled. So what is the final answer? You write it in a proper way. See here, Z1 plus Z2 by 1 plus Z1, Z2. It's nothing but yes. See here, it's nothing but yes. Okay. So S bar equal to yes. S bar equal to yes. Therefore, what is S value? Z1 plus Z2 by 1 plus Z1, Z2 is a real number, is real number. Have you clear? It's a real number. Is it clear for you? Yeah.